Guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see the search button. Then enter model number of your motherboard. Then hit enter. Now this is searching, and then click go to the product. You can see 4H10M HV2. Click on this. For this open, then click to support. So guys, first select the operating system, Windows 10, 11, both installations process same. So no worry about that. Chipset driver. So this one try to install. Just click to download. Complete, then click and double click to save. This is setup chipset exe. Double click, then click to yes for installation. Next, next, accept, install. And then okay, and then close it.